I transformed my research from the academic part into a scenario, and that was a super nice thing to do because it's the same sources, but I needed to write them not, as a scientific piece of scholarship, but I needed to transform that into an engaging narrative. And luckily in Rosenborg we have plenty of amazing stories. So I enjoyed the scenario writing immensely. It was doing everything I always do, but transmitting in a different way, telling a story with my sources. Sound, without word, they also tell a story, and it's very evocative. And then Martin did the whole thing to put that in 3D, which gives it so more depth and so more vividness. And the next step will be to bring that into the castle and make the installation. That's going to be fun, a lot of challenge, but it's going to happen and it's going to be great.
Jeg vil have mere snaps. Meget mere snaps.
Rosenborg is pretty much what it used to be in the 17th century because the royal family used it from 1604 until 1707. So it has changed a bit. They added the stair, turrets here, a thing there. But what we have is what we had in the 17th century. So that's unique, and meaning we have the room as they were and as they sounded, almost exactly as it was in the 17th century. Plus, Rosenborg has an amazing thing, which is called invisible music. It was a trick invented by the King Christian IV. He built sonic conduit, meaning holes between the basement and this room where he would receive his diplomats, foreign prince, and important visitor. So he would put his poor musician in the basement and he would make a secret signal. So when the French ambassador comes in, the music starts and nobody can see it. At the time, it was impossible to listen to invisible music. There were no loudspeakers. Music was always linked to its source. You always could see the musician. And for Christian IV, this was a very orchestrated ceremonial to assess his power. He could make invisible music appear. And that made quite an effect on his spectators.
Lidt for meget snaps.